Hey, good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome and welcome back. It's a new day here, a very nice and beautiful day in Kenya, Africa, to be specific. Nyabohanse, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So on this video today, guys, it's a super special video. I'm back in the village, and this is the state of my village. After gone for 1 week, I'm back, then I'll go. What brought Claude Joseph here? Please watch this video to the end. Pay much attention. Subscribe if you haven't. Like and leave a sweet comment about what you're going to see here. Is it a good idea? Is it this? Is it this? Always blessings without blessings. Always and always. I say thank you so much for each and every person who's tend to watch this video, who comes and say, Claude, this is a good job. Claude, this is not a good job. Claude, you could have done this instead of doing this. Thank you so much. I respect your opinions. I respect your comment and everything. I respect. Why not to respect when I just say, please leave a sweet comment, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think. So you answer according to what you think. So I love you all, guys. And also, this day today is another day. I give much thanks to Almighty God for this day. It's a brand new day, a very nice day, and of course everything is nice. So this day today is that D-Day. My brother came, the wife came, and everybody came. It's a big surprise. There's some guests coming from Tanzania to come and say hi to grandma, because our granny, the recently time you have been seeing me struggling with her, running here and there, everything, everything. So she has recovered back, and she's really strong for now, but not 100% sure. Maybe 80% or 85%, I can say so. So my brother was like also very busy on the other side, so they came to say sorry to grandma, and traditionally, and yet they came to wish her a quick recovery and a very good health. So traditionally, according to the Korean culture, let me know in the comment section if your culture allows this. So in our culture, if somebody is sick, let me say my granny was sick, if my dad or my granny is sick, or anybody around if is sick, it's believed when she is on the process of recovering, they must slaughter a goat or a cow to just have a soup that will boil from 6 to maybe 4 or 5 p.m. from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then by that time at 5 p.m. or at 4 p.m. or at 3 p.m. she can be given that soup on a gourd. You see, a gourd, or is that a gourd or a gourd? It's like a calabash. So yeah, that's it. So that is the day, and yesterday was so busy. So this day I want to share with you how everything is, and remember to subscribe. So watch to the end and let me know in the comment section, do you people still practice those kind of cultures? So in a nutshell, all before we go far, we have been making bricks. Remember, Claude Joseph, we say and we do. I promised you guys that over here we will still continue making bricks, because I am now a landowner. And when you are a landowner, you can either choose to do cultivation, you can choose to do farming, maybe animal farming or crop farming, you can choose to put it as a resort, you can choose to do anything, plant trees. Also you can choose to build, in which I myself at this time I want to do what we call to build. So I'm trying to collect 1, 2, 3 materials all over what I can, so that I can try to build a dream house, or my dream house. So this place is where I've been making a lot of bricks. That's why you see it's gallo, it has a hole. I've been making bricks so that I sell them. Those days back, when before even YouTube, I used to do these bricks. I sell them and I get something to for my upkeep. So for now, when I have something, because now YouTube pays me something that I get, so I decided, like, let me just try to also revive and create job opportunity for my fellow youths. So here my fellow youths make bricks. So today they didn't come through to make the bricks, but they just prepared what we call like a very nice field where the bricks are. And also they started making bricks here, And let me give you a direct tour about our brick house. So the other day we created this brick house over here, and this is how the brick house looks like. It's this way. We build this kind of brick house so that we can preserve bricks inside here so that they cannot get rained on. Like here we have 1,000+ bricks. This one we have 1,000+ bricks. So they have already started making bricks, and we have already started making bricks for our dream house. But the agenda today is not about bricks. Just arrived home and I'm seeing what's going on around on this other stuff. So these are the bricks, and that's how you see it. So later on, after they have dried up, maybe like 2 to 3 months, we can cut firewood and we make what we call like a kiln. And after making a kiln, we can burn bricks, and the bricks becomes as red or maroon or I don't know which color. But that's not the agenda for today. The agenda for today is what's happening. What's happening. I could have showed you yesterday how everything was, but there are those people who don't love cameras. I'm not a blusher, serious. So I was like, okay, let me be as who I am. But yeah, so right here we have some boys. Peter, mambo vipi? Niaje? Unakunywa chai? Okay, this is tea with milk. Oh, tea with milk and bread. Okay, Peter. Kopoa. Okay, that's Peter. He's a very hardworking boy and a very nice and great guy around here. So yesterday we had a celebration here, but that celebration was one of to cherish grandma's house. So every people ate. Had rice over here, a lot of stuffs. So they're washing utensils. And in this time we have our lovely Diana. Diana.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
How are you? You good? You fine?
I'm good.
Yes. How is it?
I'm washing utensils.
Yes.
We were having the party tonight.
Yes.
We were celebrating.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright guys, and that's how this is our Diana. I saw somebody creating video and saying, commenting that you have no, that Diana was not around. Diana is always here whenever Granny wants her. So it was like, alright, thank you Diana. Yeah, so and on this other side we're having my dad and also my brothers over here. So Mzee, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You great?
I'm great.
Yes, how is it? Are you happy for your mom?
It's a good one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, for those who doesn't know, this is my dad, and yeah, he's a very hardworking dad, and also we love him so much because he's very charismatic. So enjoy. What can you tell people here? Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
It's like
so no any can talk to
no, you cannot talk too much. English is not on your side. I would say English is not vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yeah, it's not vegetable.
Yes.
Not the water.
Yeah.
And also we are here with our brother also. Hey, good morning.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
What are you having here?
I'm eating rice.
Rice.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, this is rice. They just made it like pilau.
Pilau.
Oh, pilau.
Yeah.
Oh man, thank you so much.
Yeah.
How is everything around?
Everything is okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
All right, guys. This is what we call like to give a new look also for home after a long time, and also to come and give BIBI soup traditionally. So I'll just explain to you about how it is, and also he will explain to you how traditional we make this. So hey bro.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Yeah, and you know guys, this is not your first time to see him here. I know every single day we have new subscribers, so he's our brother. And yeah, so for those subscribers who have been here before, I think you have seen this. It's not maybe a new face. So introduce yourself here, brother.
Hello, my name is Claude.
Yes.
A brother to CJ.
Yes.
And I just came the whole way from Tanzania
Yes.
to this place. This is my homeland.
Yes.
This is my matrimonial home.
Yes.
I came purposely because my grandma was sick,
Yes.
and I came to say sorry.
Yes.
And I came to give her soup.
Yes.
We made a certain traditional soup.
Yes.
It was such an amazing soup. We had a certain ceremony.
Yes.
We celebrated yesterday.
Yes.
We had a lot of visitors here,
Yes.
and we are still compiling for today.
For today.
Yeah,
Yes.
so thank you so much.
Yes.
Continue subscribing
Absolutely.
to this channel.
Yes.
yeah, it has been our YouTube channel since then. So
Absolutely.
please continue supporting the channel.
Absolutely, guys. So this is our brother. Hey, we also have here our niece, our nephew, our niece, our lovely niece. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
How are you? Say hi.
I am fine.
You're good. What's your name?
Yes, Claudia.
One name. We only have one.
Claudia.
Claude. Guys, here we have it's the family of Claudes. So you have Claudia Claude, you have Claude Joseph, you have Nicholas Claude, and so many Clouds to come. We have Manu Cloud and so many Clouds. So that's it. So brother, I have some maybe few questions for you. Maybe you can explain to the audience how is this traditional soup made. You know, sometimes we usually know. Here are the pictures. We'll show them the picture. This is our sister. She was just looking at the aunt. Yeah, so we also have what we call like this soup.
Okay.
So it was like a quick recovery to Granny, and also it was something to say sorry for Granny because she was so sick and so weak. So maybe you can give them a brief knowledge about how traditional this soup is made.
Okay.
Is it just a soup or is a soup traditionally? How many hours can it be cooked to become a soup?
It's not just a normal soup.
Yes.
As we do know soup as soup. It's
Yes.
not a normal soup. That's why we call it traditional soup.
Yes,
Firstly, it's been cooked in the pot,
yes,
a traditional pot,
yes,
and it's been cooked for more than 5 to 6 hours,
yes.
so as we can get the white soup instead of
Okay.
getting the
other normal
the other normal soup.
for 1 hour.
Just an hour, 30 minutes.
Yes.
We just cook the soup for more than 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours, so that
Yes.
you can get the soup that looks like milk.
Oh,
It's
okay.
milky soup.
Yeah.
So as well as while you cook that soup,
Yes.
it turns into whitish
Yeah.
like milk,
Like milk, yeah.
and it's very much tasty. It doesn't even need to be added with any additives
Any
like
additives, yeah.
salt
Yeah.
and other stuffs. It's just cooked meat and water. It's all well cooked for some hours so that it can bring its original traditional taste.
It's very tasty, yeah.
So that's how it's being prepared.
All right, man. Thank you for the time, and also thank you so much for coming and for welcoming each and every person around. Have a lovely time. Yeah, guys. So that is it. So and also I'll just share with you how everything is. Maybe for me, Howie and everything. And the granny, she's just asleep here. Maybe she can say something before I show you what's going on around. I'll just show you the short clips that I caught on the other time because it was not friendly, maybe because there are some visitors who can say hi to the camera. So, and also because of the rumors that are surrounding, like whenever you face the camera you go and die. So I never wanted to create that scene, so I was like, okay, let me keep my camera far away until my family members who understands what camera is, so that I can start filming with them. So I just kept it. Sorry I never showed you how it went, but for the short clip that I took with maybe Granny and the last night for how they were preparing this, I hope you'll enjoy them before this. So BIBI, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, stand up and say hi. Amuka basi BIBI, amuka basi usalimie watu. Amuka salimia watu waoneshe venye wewe uko sawa sawa. Mbara yako tevi. Igo bene, haya. How you doing? How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
You amazing?
You amazing.
Say subscribe, guys.
Lovely.
How are you feeling today? Say I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Haya bibi, unaendeleaje sasa? Unasikia aje?
Hata naweza kukimbia mpaka kianja.
Sasa hivi unaweza kukimbia. By now he says like he can run. Sasa unaweza kimbia mpaka Kihanja.
Kabisa.
You going to Migori?
Mgori hapana. Kianja ni karibu.
Si Kianja ni karibu. Wangu bila kile Kiingereza cha ndani cha kuambia you are going to Migori. Yes, I'm going Migori. No English, stop.
Stop.
Nitakusema ndio usalimie guys. This actually, if we have like me, if I have my daughter, like she looks amazing like grandma. You see the grandma's face?
Iko wapi makamasi?
Hajashika kamasi. Vivi, hey. So for now guys, even jana paka sasa hivi the great granddaughter or grandchild test Granny that she always touch her nose this way. So Granny told her, like, give me those pictures so I can see. She said, no, you always touch your nose. So if you touch these pictures, that's a baby. Guys, you can see even the legs are not swollen anymore. No swollen legs. Hey, ulikunywa jana soup?
Nilala nikagiremura. Vizuri sana.
Okay. Haido maiye mulale. Haido mwana wapikile ngasi. Haido maiye mulale. Haido mwana wapikile. Haido maiye mulale. Haido. Nani alikunywa hivi bibi?
Lakini natamani rihindi la kuchoma.
Rihindi watakuchomea?
Niombe makoma.
Haya, kichwa kiko aje? Hey guys, even the head.
Unataka uninyoa sasa vizuri.
Iko sawa, but one thing I realized with the Granny, like for the short time that I went, she turned, her skin turned to dark. Yes? Speak English. Speak English. Eh? Speak English, Granny.
Speak English.
Yes.
Yes.
You know English?
Yes, English.
Yes.
No, don't.
You?
Don't know.
You don't know.
English.
You don't know. You don't know?
English.
Why don't you know English? You don't know English as top.
Stop. I'm going.
Where?
Migori.
I die, guys. And you're going to Migori? For when?
Awendo.
You're going Awendo. Oh, okay. Guys, this is Granny and this is her state. For now, she's really doing pretty good and she has recovered. Also, guys, when I came home, I received a gift from a gift from France. One of our subscribers sent me some stuffs for Granny that were to do what we call like measure the blood sugar level and also blood pressure. So I have them here and I want to unbox them here and see how they are. And thank you so much. Be blessed all. Yeah, so it has been a day which has been so nice and great and great and great and great. Also, we are with True Boy here. He has been her personal doctor. True Boy.
Yes, brother.
Come this side. There's sun there, man.
Oh, there's sun.
Yes.
You have to sit with Bibi here.
Yeah, sit with Bibi. How has it been?
How are you, bro?
Waita pikipiki wanakuja. Yeah. The sindano.
Nataka kuchoma sindano.
Sindano hapa hivi. You see that she's surprised that maybe she wants some more needles.
Yeah. She thinks that we are injecting her.
Injecting her.
Yeah, welcome again to Mr. Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed,
Yes.
please subscribe to him.
Yes.
And this is Mr. True Boy over here.
Absolutely.
Road to 2K subscribers.
Yes.
Please show me love by subscribing.
For sure, guys.
Watching my videos.
Yes.
And I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, guys. That
We are
would
live from home here. At CJ's home, our
Yes.
grandma here.
Yeah.
We've been really working out to make sure that her health condition is alright.
Yes.
And finally now Abid is very strong.
Very strong. Even yesterday
No
she
walking
received
stick.
no walking stick, guys. I just tried to bring her walking stick. She said, no, I don't want that. You can imagine she just left the what you call like the walking stick. She left the uyano anajua Kiingereza, mwambie yes no, mwambie. You don't know English as top?
How are you?
Yeah, no.
How are you, Angelina?
Baby. Yeah, so they are surprised maybe she understands English.
Haya mama. Nataka safari sasa. Karibu sasa.
Karibu tena.
Naona TV tu vile.
Karibuni tena. Nashukuru sana.
Haya.
Haya, nashukuru mama.
Haya.
Asante.
Bibi.
Yo bibi, tunashukuru sana. Haya. Nashukuru sana. Haya, bibi. Sasa hivyo ndo kazi iko sasa bibi. Tuna nini? Asante mama, tunashukuru. Asante mama, tunakuja Mwanza.
Sasa mnakuja kuliana, karibu sana.
Na wewe karibu, fika Mwanza.
Fika hapa Mwanza ni karibu sana.
Karibu sana.
Ni Kirumbi tu nafuka.
Anavuka.
Utapotea bibi.
Utapotea bibi.
Siwezi kupotea.
Unajua njia bibi. We are telling our grandma, can she really move to to Tanzania, and she's like, I'll go there alone, I and alone. Sasa Juma, tutaleta hizo vitu. Hizo masokse.
Sisi tuondoke. Tunashukuru kwa kutukaribisha, tumekula, tumeshiba, tumefurahi. Mungu awabariki jamani.
Amina mama. Amina.
Amina.
Yes.
Vijana.
Mama. Nashukuru mama, asante.
Bariadi
napasikia sana. Bariadi huko Simiu. Simiu Bariadi huko.
Karibu sana.
Yeah, Bariadi napasikia. Mama alikuwa akichukua mizigo sana huko, mamichele, miogo. Tutakaribia huko mama. Haya mama. Mama. Haya. Asante mama. Nitafika mama. Naona sisi tumefika. Unajua mimi ni mtembezi. Nitwa Jose mtembezi, Jose matangazo.
Jose matangazo.
Mimi natembea.
Mwanza ufike kwangu.
Ndio nitafika kabisa mama.
Karibu.
Amina.
Tunaenda.
Mimi navuruga. Nitafika. Yeah, she was welcoming me home.
Nitakuja siku moja nije nikuone. Unaona nimefika?
Yes.
Sasa tumeamini.
Amefika.
Nilikuwa nakwambia lazima nitakuja huko ulipo nije nikuone. Umeona? Nimekuja.
Sasa it was a big actually celebration. They came to say sorry as a group to Grandma. Na bibi sasa hivi yuko kabisa. Anaweza akatembea bila hata fimbo. Yuko vizuri sasa hivi. Siku zilizopita kama wiki moja alikuwa anaumwa vibaya mno.
Sawa.
Sasa msalimie baba pale. Mwambie kwa hey. So guys, we are here and actually that's what happened on the other side, and yeah, that's what. So I want to say goodbye to our father. Okay, goodbye. Yes, wish you journey masses. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so that's it. It's not a goodbye, but I see you again. So yeah, they came to say sorry to Granny and also to bring some soup because now she has almost recovered, so that they can see her on her normal feet always. So let's go and bring the other stuff. Okay. Yeah, the surprise came from France, guys.
Anyway, to those who have been asking maybe how is baby?
Yes.
Baby is here.
Yes.
And we thank God she's now very okay. God's good.
For sure, guys.
Let's go for the stuff.
Yeah. So she's really okay. Even now, guys, she doesn't need maybe a walking stick. Whenever I bring her a walking stick, bibi nikuletee fimbo yako. Fimbo ya kutembelea. Mutaki fimbo. Utaki fimbo sasa hivi?
Sasa hivi?
Sasa unatembea.
Nataka hata nikimbie.
She said like she wants even to run. No need of having a
natamani nikimbia kabisa.
Kimbia kabisa mbio mbio.
Nadhani niletea ile kufanya.
She wants this. There's a certain thing that she always sniff. So, but she's like, you know, we have to give her like a medicine, like an antidote. So it's like little by little. If I give her now, it will be maybe after lunch again when she's sleeping. It's nicotine, it's a tobacco actually. But for now, BIBI is really doing good and nice. Jafet, wewe mambo yako? Umekuja na wengine? Haya. So, haya. This is it. BIBI, tuimbie kareka wimbo kingine. Which other song do you have? Wimbo ingine?
Wimbo ingine ni ipi tena?
Wimbo ingine. Another song. Wabo mwana tuchile. Muziki wako kuchile kwa. Wabo mwana tuchile. Rama muziki wako kurure France. France baby. Ulitoka France to Kenya. To Joseph Mokami, and this is it. And Joseph Claudia. Sasa bibi, hizi ni vitu vyako vya nini? Vya dawa. Vimetumwa kutoka Ufaransa. She's not happy with meds. Look at them out. Bibi, sasa zinakuchoma kama mashini vitu.
Yeah,
let me just see, guys, what's in.
Let's confirm what's in.
Confirm what's in, guys.
Yeah.
Actually, BIBI's surprise. Oh my god. You know me, I'm poor in unboxing.
But don't worry,
I'm very poor in unboxing.
So here,
Bibi.
okay,
yote naona kameza.
ni dawa.
Where?
So here we have a machine. I've just turned this. Don't worry guys, I just unboxed it the other day to check. Also we have this. Those are the they call like this one. So this is the machine to measure. It's actually very heavy. It's not like the other one that we were given.
Oh my goodness.
That's very
What a
nice.
machine.
That's the reason. These also the different needles. And it's only not one.
Yes.
There are a lot.
There are so many, right?
So many. And also in here, this also we have this they are called the strips for it.
Yeah, strips.
Very different. A lot.
Yeah, that's good. That's
So it's your work now, Juma, as a doctor, to always have this here. So also here we have, now that this is for the machine. Come here near Juma. Come near here. So this will be always keeping. You will always be keeping in here some machine like this. So you keep it in here, and then you do this. So here,
no joke.
yeah, here also we have a machine for blood pressure. You see this how it looks like? Very different.
Yeah, it's very different.
It's very actually it's very different. It's not like the other normal machines that we have here. This also shows you can add, you can minus, and this on and this on. Also it's just showing you. And this is what you see on this other side. Have you ever seen this? They look very different.
I've never seen because
Yes.
we have different companies.
Yes.
So this is another company
From France actually.
from France.
Yeah.
I don't know which company do we use.
And also we have a lot of this. How do you call this? The needle, the strips, the pen needles. So there are a lot. So we have almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A very gift from France for Granny. So this, how much do we buy this, Juma? Well, we were buying this in the hospital.
Last time,
Yes.
we bought them at how much was it?
Actually, this machine, when I bought the other machine, I bought it at $60. That is 6,000 Kenyan shillings. And these strips, you have to buy them also every single day when they will go off. But now here, I received this surprise from one of our subscribers. May Almighty God bless you abundantly. You know, even Granny, she's like, her mind is like, she's watching the guests as they leave. Because she's like, oh my God, are they really leaving? Meanwhile, come and see the big surprise.
The guests are going. Let me. My mama's called.
Okay. Yeah, the guests are moving. So let me also see. Let me just wave to them. And also we have this. These are the strips.
Strips, yeah.
A lot.
You know, Bibi, when it comes in terms of maybe injection,
It's a fight. It's a tug of war.
yeah, imagine.
It's a tug of war.
We are now enemies.
We are now enemies. When
If they were money,
you could have seen her here. But now with this, she's an enemy to us.
yeah.
Yeah, because we are like a threat to her by seeing this all. She's like, oh my God. But
Bibi
actually,
is zote ndo zitaisha huko. Unaona hizi zote?
hizo zitaisha upone Bibi.
See how she behaves.
Look how she's behaving. Baby's like, oh my God, is this me?
This is crazy, guys. This is crazy for sure. You know, Bibi is surprised, like seeing all these, all
Injections
and strips,
and all these strips for this, for measuring her blood pressure and this.
She's like, she needs to die.
Her sugar level, she's like, oh my God, I'm dying.
Imagine.
Yeah, so, but this is how it looks like, guys. It's really great and amazing. And yeah, I'm appreciating and I'm saying thank you so much, guys, for this.
Be blessed.
And may Almighty God bless you always.
Abundant.
And everything is really nice and everything, wow, it's from France. Pharmacie de la Mairie, Rue de Novembre, Variche.
No joke.
Yeah, it's no joke.
That's good. To those who donated this,
Yeah.
may God bless you abundantly.
Abundantly.
Not bless you. You are already blessed.
You're already
So,
blessed.
Let God keep blessing you more and
Give
more
you
and
a
more.
lot and a lot and
Yeah,
a lot.
so that you keep
This
blessing
is to
other
save
people.
our lovely comedian Granny. And also,
BIBI.
thank you so much for putting this inside like this, you know, the packaging. Me, I love to press this. Let the camera come in. I love to press this like. Listen.
You love them, right?
Yeah, hey, now this will be a big game for me. Wow. Alright guys, let's wait for Minhawi and we see Minhawi's reaction. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah. So and also we are here and this is how you see guys. So we also have some booklet to read the what we call like the instructions about what is this on this other side.
So that they can guide us.
So that it can guide us. We have a lot of books, all booklets like this to learn and also to see how everything. But we have a doctor here, so he's trying to test this
You have to
machine,
test
the machine.
so that you can know.
Can I help me? Let me help you.
Where are the other?
Okay, let me help you this side.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
No.
That way. And then. So this one uses dry cells. Takanya kwanza tena nini na hii. Unafanyiwa na hii kwanza ufunikwe. Urufika urudi. Bye. Bye. Yeah. I had to run. Oh my god. The guest has gone. Hey, mzee. Bibi amekataa kupimwa pressure. Anakataa na anarukaruka. Anaanza kututusi. Ikataemu pimeba koko wenyu. Hey, was it a Valentine Day?
No, you decided to wear red because I'm wearing red.
No,
guys,
no.
You know, you guys have seen this cloth ever since. This one you only got it the other day in South Africa. So me, I've been wearing
And a
this.
big surprise.
Yeah, from Kogan Bomani,
No,
guys.
this is from Kogan, yeah,
Yeah,
from Kogan
Kogan
Bomani.
Bomani, guys.
Yes.
Kogan Bomani,
Bomani, yeah.
guys, kindly check him out. He's one of our South African friends from YouTube.
Yes.
Kindly subscribe to his channel. He
Yes.
bought him this.
Absolutely,
It's a press
yeah.
with this. Another there's also that lady. What was her name?
Yes. Rachel.
Rachel,
Madam
guys,
Rachel,
Madam Rachel, if you're watching
Yes.
this, I
We
still
are
miss
here.
you. I love you. You are such a you are the best of the best of the best.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So and I miss you so much. It was so fun to be
Look
around.
at surprise for Grant. She's
Look at
working
Granny
very
walking
strong.
without even a walking stick.
I told her, can I bring you a walking stick? She was like, I don't need it anymore.
Yeah, she's now better. Yeah. We
Yeah.
are here. Dan is here. Everyone
Yes.
else is here.
How was the grandma's party maybe?
The grandma's party was nice. Guys
Yes.
came to see her
Yeah.
and also to see these are relatives who came
Yeah.
to see also
How the
Mugendi.
Mugendi,
Yeah, so guys, it's been nice, amazing.
Yeah.
And the guests are gone now.
They are gone now.
So
Look,
Bibi is
guys.
now walking
Guys,
straight.
look straight, guys. She's walking straight. Look. Hey, we are seeing you. Ataka tafutia bibi. Hey. Kimbia tuone. Kimbia. I caught you on camera running. I caught her on camera running, guys. You can imagine. Kimbia kwa roko tuone. I caught you on camera running speed. Guys, this you see. She has been running. That's a very nice. That's the state of Granny, and that's how you can see a great state of Granny. Everybody was happy.
Yeah, everyone
You
is happy.
see how Granny
She's
is
running. Yeah,
because
very
of
nice.
the recovery soup and everything, and through your support, guys, the meds that we have gone through, and also, guys, I am so much happy for this. I'm very
happy
much
too.
for each and every person who put a support by watching the videos. You get something, and also,
Guys,
yes,
you know this video should right now should be done from Mombasa, but we are in the village.
we're in the
But
village
guys, we should be heading back to Mombasa very soon.
very soon.
Yeah, so don't worry. Our travel still, our holiday is still like we have to go.
Yeah,
this
we
was
have
very
to go.
And a very important family function.
Yeah.
And we could not miss.
Absolutely.
And also, you remember we had Mara's function as well. We could
Yeah,
not miss.
we
So
could not miss
sometimes we have to halt things for other things to happen.
to happen.
Yeah.
So let's wait and see, and also we give you a quick update about how everything is around, and also come see. There's a big surprise that was sent from France.
Oh, the one from
Yeah. But Bibi is like, I'm not happy
No,
because
she feels better now. She feels like she
yeah,
doesn't need
she
medicine.
doesn't need medicines anymore. That she's like she has to do with it because
It was
I think this guy needs to do pressure on everyone
on everyone.
and blood test for everyone.
Okay. Yeah. Now Juma, do some tests for everyone.
Oh, you
Yeah.
want me to do test?
No, you have to try this up to this side. Yeah.
You know, this place we don't have this.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
so it's kind of.
Okay. Connect it. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So let's confirm.
Let's see this young man, how it's operating. They are really operating, guys, from France. Wow. Veroval. Wow, this is
Yeah,
his
very right.
93, 62, 91.
I was confirming even the first one
Yes.
was exactly
this one.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
So this is the most accurate machine ever. Most accurate machine ever.
yeah.
You know? Look.
This one don't lie.
Machines. France machines. Where is it made from? From Germany. The Germany machine.
Germany machine.
Look, guys, this is how it is. So let's measure Peter. Okay, let's see. It's a family test for everyone. We see where is this blood pressure. Now it's time for Minhawi. We see Minhawi's pressure. Yeah.
Let's confirm how.
Yeah, I'm the most important guest.
Yeah. Don't hold this. You are the patient. Excuse me. See. Hey Juma. Wait first. It's not operating.
Yes.
Okay. Let me start. Okay, put that there. Okay. Taka tumalizie bibi. Want to finish for bibi first. Let's press. How is press?
Si ni kama nataka tumpime hapa.
Na mimi hapo tena.
Nikishafanya mara moja hivi.
Hi.
Mtu asifinye hapo.
Wait first. It's okay.
Pressure.
Don't talk. Yes, wait and see. Yes. New machine, testing new machines from France.
Yes. I have to test and confirm.
Let's see. Oh, you. Let's wait and see.
Nanumiza
Minha, what are you talking? This is how they had this guy. 129, 76, and 82.
That's fine.
It is fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
No, it's not fine.
Why is it
To
not?
confirm.
Why is it not fine? You have to return again
The normal range has to be 90
to 120.
to 120.
Okay.
Now the 29.
Can you read these kids? Because they make me feel like talking. Oh, no.
Oh, by the way, you are talking. So
Okay, let's wait and
so
see
they
the
can-
normal one. Okay.
you can confirm again.
Breathe in.
Breathe in, out.
Hi.
hizi ni ufunguo.
You are soon.
Usiweke uangishe. Uweke tu straight.
This way.
Usiguse
This
sehemu
this
yoyote.
way mean how? This way. Yeah.
See, I feel like I'm.
So also we have to measure each and every person around here to see how everything is. You want to eat mahindi? Walikata hata mahindi bibi, hakuna kula mahindi.
Unakula mahindi.
Hakuna kula mahindi. Look how she's looking at me. Weka mkono na tuchome kidogo. Weka.
Ina mikono ya nini? Hebu
Tunataka
ndio
kutupi-
kutumia mimi.
Tunapima tuchomi sindano, tunapima tu.
Tunapima tu, sio sindano baby. Na usi
Wangu mingi.
hey baby. Na usiongee sana. Let's bread this for this. Especially in grand. Why are you laughing to Granny? Why? Okay.
Let's confirm.
Let's confirm. We'll see how it's going. Still reading. No, Granny, sometimes she's a comedian on her own. You look like she doesn't want actually to. It's okay. It's 128. Ratio 81.
You have to confirm once because.
Okay, confirm again. Kobo kono ankokotora hano.
Kotora kukitumbe nje.
Takotora iga
iko bene.
hivi. Utakaringe. Hai.
Iko bene. Wankumwengere no wewe.
Tigere. But it's okay normal. The machine is ready. Okay. So confirm.
Mkamanya muruti kuiganda.
Granny almost stopped. Okay. You can see. The other time she put the hand on
Yeah.
it. So it's normal.
Yeah, it's alright.
117 ratio 75 mHg. Okay. Who else? Nani mwingine anapimwa? Nani mwingine apimwa?
Elina,
Bibi.
uko unataka sindano mbili sawa?
Sindano mbili za hapa.
You need 2 injection, right?
She's so sad. It's time to measure mom. Let's see mom's fresh. Ready to go it down. Let's see. It's a German machine now.
Wacha kuguza ubibi.
It's measuring heavy. Mzee, want to confirm. Hata unataka kupimwe pressure bibi. Mzee. Let's see.
Baby.
Okay. Mzee. To go up, down. Down. It's 111. 111 ratio 68. It's still okay, not real down, because if it could be below 100,
Yeah.
that could be less, but that's okay. Unakula vizuri, bwana wako akupigie kelele. Bwana, you have no stress. You have no stress now. Blood pressure. We see how everything is so you can know what's good. So yeah, and also measure myself. The doctor is overworking here. Look. Doctor, what are you doing, doctor? Eh?
I'm trying to.
No way, okay.
You know this guy is reading 138, so we are confirming the last.
The last one.
Yes.
Guys, let's wait and see. It's me to have measure the pressure. Let me see. So I don't want to talk or speak. So let me just see.
You have to be very quiet.
Very quiet. Let's wait and see.
So quiet.
The doctor is overworking.
Or so quiet or very quiet.
Yes.
Too quiet.
English is not vegetable. English.
Okay.
Let's see the reading of Claude Joseph here. It's not visible. On that five, bro.
People are asking at me, 135? I have a lot of friends.
No, we have to confirm.
You need to
maybe.
go to the shadow. You are
Confirm again.
direct on the sunlight.
Maybe
I know myself.
just hold the camera.
I told them that I'll be at 130 or at 131. Okay. Reset again.
That's it. You know, maybe
Okay. It's okay.
it's okay.
The camera has gone off.
No.
So don't lean your hand on your leg. So already confirm at CJ's BP. So your range is you are closer to Minhao.
Oh.
141.
Is it normal?
I'm a stressful guy. I'm a stressful guy, guys. I need to
confirm it for a short period.
from this other hand. Maybe from a short part, yeah. Let's try see on this other palm. You see.
Yeah. Let's
Oh my
confirm for
god.
the last
Oh
time.
my god, Claude Joseph.
You will see fire.
Whenever I tell people that sometimes you people stress me with a lot of.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
I'll cry like grandma. Ooh.
Let's reset once more. We are confirming for the last time. But yours must be high because the way I'm seeing, it must be high. Era. So what's your problem, bro?
What is the problem now?
Then
I'm so stressed. A lot of stuff's in the head. Pressure.
we will confirm once
We'll
again.
confirm, guys. Yeah. Mine reads error. Yeah, so guys, literally after everything that was there, I decided to go because there's a project that is going here of my bricks or our bricks. I'm heading to the border. I'm going to select a cover. How are they called, Juma? Covers. Polythene covers. So pay much attention, and we'll be heading there to the border. So that there is where I can buy and come with them here. So I'll share with you how everything is. So see you there. All right. So guys, we are in Sirari border, Sirari town, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, as you see. So I'm heading to look for what you call like for those covers, like these ones, but I don't want these ones. I want the other ones. So literally on my right hand side here, that's the barrier. It's the border of Kenya. That's why you see they have a wall. Now this is Kenya, the other side is Tanzania. In between here, it's the migration area. So, and also today is a Monday. That was you see how everything is around here. There is a lot that's happening. So let me go by, and then we wanna head back in the village to share with you what's going on. So guys, I just arrived here at Sirari border, and this is what I want, because now whenever it rains, I wanted something like this. You see, something like this. So it's being Juma True Boy 208 is looking at it. Because so something like this, so that we'll be using it to do what we call like to cover our bricks, because when they get rained on, they get damaged. So it's better we have something like this, so that it can help us more and more and more while we are doing what we call like working on our project. So let me pray, and also let me know in the comment section, how do you people do your work over there at your places, because with us we use this to make bricks. So it's a daily routine over here back in the village with a lot of work, and we see what's going on around. All right guys, I came to withdraw some money because the Zay was like doesn't want money from money transfer or phone transfer, so I had to come and withdraw money. So we need cash, so we have to carry two. This one, another one, it's on side. So this one, also another one is here, which we have also this one. Hey, this one looks heavy. This one looks very heavy when you put it this way. It becomes very heavy. So by this way, we also have this for our projects, the bricks making. So let me head back in the village and we wanna proceed with our stuffs around here. Okay. So we are heading where we are heading. Again, we are heading back home. That's been so nice and great. And also we wanna proceed with our journey back home with True Boy 208. Yeah, guys.
The rider, Claude Joseph's rider. Not only Million Travelers rider, even you, I can be a rider.
So sometimes I ride the motorbike on my own, but we always here with him. He's so nice and supportive, guys. So like here I was so exhausted because yesterday we were doing a lot of work. He was like, okay, let's go and I can help you with riding the motorbike. Sometimes it's very hectic to ride.
Yeah.
So this is the border. Yeah, so let's head back in the village. What's up, guys? Bibi, mwambie hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, now I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Tell them good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. I love you guys. Bibi, mwambie hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, now I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Tell them good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. I love you guys.
Huyu amebeba takataka zote za familia hii, kafungwa nguo za kike kama mwanamke, kavaa sketi za kike, kwa sababu wale walivyokuwa wanakuja upande wa pili wakija upande huu wakikuta mtoto wa kiume hata amezaliwa leo walikuwa wanachinja. Amezaliwa leo walikuwa wanachinja. Kwa hiyo lazima watoto wa kiume wale wadogo umri huu akina Claudio wavishwe sketi. Walikuwa hawana muda wa kukagua, lakini walikuwa wanavishwa sketi au wanafungwa kama wakike. Kwa huyu ni nguzo moja ya nguzo kubwa sana kwenye familia hii. Mimi nimetoka hapa nikiwa mdogo. Mama Nyandege ameondoka, anaumwa, nadhani nafahamu. Yeye ana mdogo wake, ana dada, ana sisi kwenye familia hatuna shangazi. Kwa baba yetu mnapomuona ni peke yake, amezaliwa kwenye tumbo la mama yake peke yake. Wazalo wawili, yeye na dada yake, na mdogo wake wa kike, lakini mdogo wake akitangulia mbele za haki. Walizaliwa wawili tu. Kwa hiyo yuko peke yake. Kwa kutokana na hali halisi kwamba inatakiwa kwa ni binti tunaendelea kumwombea. kuwaunganisha wote, napata mgongo wa huyo na mbele za haki aendelee kuanza mahali pema peponi. Baada ya huyo alikuja mtu anaitwa Mokani, sijui jina la Joseph Kristo na Joseph msema. Sina Joseph.
Mtoto wa mama.
Mdogo wa mgongoni kwa Jacob. Ile Jacob kwa sasa tunaweza kumshapata kwa Joseph, kwa Jacob, wote ni JJ. Joseph na Jacob. Bora mpata Jacob na huyu mdogo wangu ambaye sitaweza kumuelezea kwa mambo mengi sana, lakini tambua kwamba kwa matunda yote mnayoyaona hapa nyumbani, mmoja kati ya watu ambao support na Mungu yeye na mke wake anafanya hawi chake huyu hapa anafanya rekodi yake hawi kwa nguvu zake, familia inakuwa na stawi. Na kwa wale wanaomjua kwa hiyo huyu anaitwa Gregory, mdogo wake na Joseph Ngongoni, na yeye ni mdogo wangu pia. Unaona sisi wote ni majaya ya mtia marefu
Isipokuwa mimi.
Ngongoni kwa huyu kuna registers.
Mwambie how are you? How are you? Mwambie how are you? Yeye ni mzungu. He speaks English. Eh? She speaks English. She. She speaks English. Say surprise, baby.
Say hi.
Hi. Now she's shy. Hey, tell everybody hi.
Jamani, moja kati ya matukio muhimu ambayo yamefanyika kwenye familia ilikuwa ni moja kati ya tukio la huyu bibi. Mimi naomba naongee leo hapa, lakini sitegemea na tabia yetu kunishia kwa bibi. Hapa wote kuna watu wana baba na mke wako umependeza hapo.
Hivyo hivyo.
Mwanamke hapo ambao mjaja na waume zenu mtajua. Walioko hapa na wanawake na wame zao. Tuko hapa, Mungu atubariki, lakini sio kwamba walioko hapa hawana wame, wengine wameolewa. Kwa hiyo huyu kama alivyokuwa ameongea mjomba, kaka yangu mimi mkubwa, mlezi wetu, huyu sisi kwetu sio bibi, ni mama. Ni mama. Ni mama ambaye mimi kwa namna yoyote ile nikija kwenye familia huwa nakumbuka nibebe chochote kwa ajili yake, kwa sababu ninatambua uwepo wake. Na hii naliongea tusikilizane kwa umakini sana. Mtu mwenye bibi kwenye familia
Kitenda sherehe.
Ai, wow,
Mrs. Joseph.
Hello. So guys, we came home with these things, but mostly whenever you leave them out, they steal. So I have to make a mark, on each and every everything. So I want to paint them CJ everywhere.
No stealing.
No stealing. So the better you paint them this way,
even somebody come to steal.
You can easily find it.
Identify it.
For sure. Yeah, it's alright. It's just okay.
No, you know, to make it big, it's better.
You have decided no jokes.
Hey, no jokes. Me nowadays they have been stealing my stuff. They steal a TV. They stole now even this. They stole another one which was there down there. So for now, and they had no mark. So it's better. They write the names right.
Yeah, that's good.
So C, and then J.
Is that J?
Wait, bro. Kwani wanaenda leo? This way. CJ. And also guys, let me know in the comment section, is it a nice thing to mark your stuffs, or
Yes.
CJ is just doing his own stuff?
No, it's good, bro.
You know?
Even when we were in school, we have been even making marks
On cups.
cups, plates,
Uh,
even
desks.
box, even lockers, yeah, desks. So, for easy identification.
Identification.
Yeah, for easy identification.
So like
So-
here guys, it's better to put this this way.
Mm.
That is CJ. Again, I'll paint here in the middle, CJ again. Yeah, you know, people steal, guys. People hate.
Middle one is here.
I can make even 4 of them.
Yeah, just make more of them so that even when somebody tries to steal.
Even if you fly a drone,
Yeah.
that is for CJ. Yeah, you know, sometimes it's better to make this. Like more so in the village, sometimes people they steal stuffs. But it will be so hard for somebody to steal this, even to buy it. If somebody has stolen and going to sell, it will be like no.
This is for CJ.
This is for CJ.
Then he has to call you to confirm.
Yeah, CJ, have you given this guy your cover?
No.
Your brick covers? No, you are a thief. Come. Come, we give you a medicine of your own portion. So
Yeah,
that's how
that's
it's
good.
supposed to be. That's how it is. So I paint it well. I leave it for a short period of time to rest, and then we continue.
Yeah.
What do you think, John?
This is best, bro. This is the best.
It's the best,
So
right?
whenever you have marks,
Whenever you mark your stuffs, it's better.
it's more better because people are
People are thieves.
outside here, you know, and people are sometimes jealous when they see these things.
They steal.
Hey,
Instead
they
of
steal.
working hard and buy, they steal. Okay.
And they don't know
How
how
you have
people
struggled.
undergo.
Like
Imagine.
niggas like this for sure. You wait until the end month, or you have gotten something, you just sacrifice school fees there, rent,
Imagine.
a lot of stuff, your all daily expenses.
And somebody comes.
Somebody come and take it very easily. So guys, I've just done this. I've been painting this, not real painting, but just writing the names. Not the names, but some abbreviations of CJ, all over up to this other end. Because I came to realize, guys, there's a time when I was making some bricks over here, and I was covering using those covers, and people stole my covers, and I was like, what the hell is happening? So for now, it's like once bitten, twice shy.
So for now, I'm so shy for the covers. I've painted them, and then afterwards, every work should be done. So that's the project, and as you see, we are making more bricks. So tomorrow, I think these guys will come for this work of continuing with the project, because they were like, oh, you know, and sometimes it rains at night, the bricks will get rained on, and that's to doing work twice. So wow, guys, look, this means that yesterday was a lot of good enjoyment of people having fun with food. So yeah, so that's it, and this is how you see over here. And also I want to introduce you to Minhai. Maybe she can say what has been happening around here for everything, which is really nice, and I'm really so grateful for this, which is a really nice thing. Look guys, what we created here, an environment where you can come, chill, relax. Even yesterday here, I think Mogendi was doing some barbecue here. This is where they were doing some barbecue, goat's barbecue on this other end, which is really good and great, and I'm so much happy for this. Let me introduce you to Minhawi.
Today we're reading.
Even red. Up to that one.
Yeah.
It's our Valentine Day.
It's a Valentine's Day, a special Valentine's Day for us.
Introduce yourself and tell people
Minhawi,
how has
guys.
been your day going?
My day has been fine, perfect.
Uh,
Family, friends, it's been amazing.
All
generally.
right. How has it been coming back in the village? Is it still? Were you enough?
I feel like going back to Mombasa.
Yeah, very.
Even tomorrow, I feel like going. We should go.
The vacation is still not yet. Emergency break.
Yeah,
We've got emergency break.
we had to break. Then we also had by extension family gatherings, and
for
so
sure.
we are here. Although we are going back to Mombasa.
Yeah,
soon
very
as
soon,
possible,
very soon, guys. So don't get like, why Cloud?
Don't
And
worry.
also, there's a big surprise coming, guys. For this, it will be really big.
Yeah.
For sure. For me, I've been so long this quiet, but now, once we are in Mombasa, everything will be really gigantic, amazing, very, very great, mind blowing. And also, we are with True Boy 208,
Family friend.
and a brother to me,
Brother.
actually, always. He's like my brother. Introduce yourself, man.
Yes, welcome again
Yes.
to Mr. CJ Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
And Minhao YouTube channel also. And Mr. Trubo 208 YouTube channel. You know. Here we are in the village now.
I forgot to ask Trubo something.
What?
Let me see your. Let me see your email. I just want to see your email.
No,
Yeah,
relax first.
I don't want to. I just want to see something.
Yes.
Not reading. Just like the layout. Just the layout on top, like just kidogo.
No, don't listen
Secret
to me.
agenda.
Yeah.
Secret agenda.
Guys,
Yeah.
This guy. And let me just spill the secret.
Don't spill the secret.
You know, it's good.
But I'm
to-
happy for you.
You know, like when you are brothers, it's good to keep secrets.
Yes. In a deep end.
No, this is not a secret. It's common knowledge to everyone. Only that I want to confirm that it's there.
Then if it's common, you can just pick it up.
Then I want to confirm that something is there. I want to see just a notification, not reading. I want just to see a notification.
Notification, why?
Don't worry
But
about
for that, let him first introduce himself so that everything can be okay. We'll read the email later.
Yes. Email, we read it.
Is it there? Is the email there?
Yeah, it might be.
I just wanted to know if it's there.
I've not yet received any notification.
Really?
I was busy and my phone was here. We went to buy.
We
Okay.
went to buy those.
And it is when I've just carried my phone. And
Yeah.
So I've not yet gone through and I've not even opened data bundles.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is True Boy 208.
Yes.
We are here at home village. You know, Mr. CJ and Minihao have been in Mombasa. I've been left alone here.
No, we need
with
to
a
go
lot
to
of
Mombasa.
stuffs, you know. But I thank God they have really helped me when my sister was in the hospital. She went through a lot. She went to the theater. You know, people have been asking me, hey, you've been a great friend and a great brother to Mr. GCJ and Brilliant Travel.
Yeah.
Are they helping you? Yeah. So they were helping me a lot.
Yes.
One thing, they helped me with the motorbike. You know, I've been using Mr. Brilliant Traveler's motorbike, running here and there. And also they financed me some of the money they contributed. CS is not that like
Much of a joke.
it's a lot of it's expensive in fact.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and the total cost was around 200,000 Kenyan.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's
200,000.
a lot.
Yeah, it was a lot, but I thank God they brought a hand full of support.
Yes.
Now my sister is well, she's recovering.
She's out?
Yeah, she's out.
Nice.
Yeah, so we thank God about that.
Okay.
So here we are. We were celebrating yesterday,
Yeah.
and when we see that we are health, we are all alive.
Yeah.
We thank God.
Very, very.
So thank you so much, my good people over here. You've been really motivating me, like also Claude Joseph and CJ, even Minnie Howie has been telling me, "Oh, true boy, keep posting videos. I was like, oh my goodness. Even I have a testimony one day.
Yeah.
Minnie Howie one day brought a camera like this,
And he was like, you remember the?
Yeah.
He was like,
When he was very shy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was, imagine, can you guess he was shy for money. He
And
was
he-
like afraid of money.
but I didn't know. That
Now you
time,
know.
I
the
was-
dream was not scaring him until now, and the
Anyway.
dream is scaring him.
we can't like say, oh, it's God's time is the best.
Absolutely.
So maybe I would have started that time and I quit.
And you failed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now it comes inside my blood.
Yes.
Now I had to push it for my
Yeah, for
own.
sure.
Yeah.
Like this one, like
Yeah.
this one, like this. But at that time, I was like, I was a student, and I was like, I'll have when I'll finish school like this, I'll be employed.
Yeah.
But life outside here, you finish school, you come and have a gym every day,
So you were like,
Yeah. So
At least there's some hope.
in fact, so when you finish school is when now you overcome maybe a lot of challenges.
Yes.
Like sometimes you don't have money.
Yeah.
You are like villagers outside here.
Yeah.
So you have to sit yourself and ask, what can you do
What can
so
you
that
do,
you
yeah.
have something.
Absolutely.
Then that I decided once, let me come again to this platform.
Yes.
I have to follow my
And this
brother
time,
here.
guys,
And here
he
you are.
made it.
He made it.
This
That's
time
why
he
he's
made it.
smiling. He's smiling to the bank.
Nowadays his eyes, it runs from here to here.
Yeah.
The other time
Yeah.
he smile like, but nowadays,
Yeah. And also, guys, soon, maybe before we travel to Mombasa, we wanna be visiting Juma's place, so that we can go and see. There's most people you say, Claude or CJ, why is it only Juma that always be at
comes to
your
your home that
comes
you
to your
don't go
home?
to his home. I think
It's
we
only
need to
that
go.
I usually go there several times, but we don't do vlogs sometimes. Even that
And given that he
Yeah.
has been new, he
Yeah.
hasn't been like before.
yeah.
Like he wasn't on YouTube,
He
so
wasn't
like
on
there was
YouTube.
that stigma towards
Stigma, and
going
also
and showing
there's
his home.
other
Now he's a
family
YouTuber.
members now do.
Now he's a YouTuber.
He's a
The
YouTuber,
family
yeah.
understands well that
Yeah.
there's YouTube, and
Yeah.
he's a YouTuber. So if you go with the camera, they will not be
You'll
shocked.
not be shocked.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's only that, and now even the mom understands what we are doing.
Yeah.
She's so supportive for that. So she'll be also very happy to see me there. Yesterday she was here. We were with her here. You have seen her on our vlogs. Yeah. So me, I'm appreciating you guys, and also for Juma, for everybody, Minhawi, and my family at large. So they came also to support and just give that traditional soup to my granny, because it usually believed that when somebody has been feeling so sick and she has really fight to recover back, she always be given that traditional soup. We call it okogogera in Swahili, in Kikuria. So when you give that, you're given that soup, it means that it's going to give you more energy. It's like you have defeated that. Now you are alive, so the prosperity that soup gives you prosperity of energy to feel that, oh, I have people around me. So yeah, I'm appreciating the family at large, and also for my big brother. I'm really happy for him. He has been always with us, and she always be with us, because he used to pay school fees with me, for me and my other siblings. And now he just decided to say, I've just, because now I'm getting paid from YouTube little thing, I had to take that task from him. Now we are just helping each other here up and down, which I'm really much happy for it, because family first over everything. So I love you guys,
and thank you so much. It was a very best day. I love you, and subscribe to Main Highway, the Red Angels, and also to Juma here, Trueboy 208, and everything will be alright. Remember guys, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. I love you all, I love you all, and I love you, and bye guys. We love you. Bye.